super quick video today. Let's show you how to reset that light so you can get on with your day. Jump in the car, pop in the key, keep your feet off the pedals and hit the start button. Wait a few seconds for the service reminder to go away, and then once up, twice up, 3 times up, once in, and then hold it in. And 2 and done. That's it. You can take the key out, or you can go for a drive, whatever you like best. And that's all there is to it on the E90 series. If you have run flat tyres, do check them even if they don't look flat. The red tyre pressure light is operated as part of the ABS system, so it indicates when one wheel is running a bit faster than the others. And even if your tyres don't look flat, check them, especially if they're run flat tyres, to make sure one of the tyres hasn't dropped a little bit compared to the others. If you like this video, please consider sharing it with your friends and subscribing, as well as hitting the little notification bell so that you get notified of future videos. Until next time.